I'm hooking up a Mitsubishi Mini Split AC, 230V, AC, that is requiring a 3-pole disconnect switch. The unit required 14/4 AUG wire from the indoor unit to outdoor unit. Now going over wiring diagram from Mitsubishi for the disconnect switch, it shows with an arrow pointing to the wire that should be the 14/4 AUG, from indoor unit to disconnect switch, to outdoor unit, it reads, 208 230V AC 1 phase 60 HC, for S1 S2 LUGS. My question is, does that mean that the 14/4 AUG wire is to be replaced with a different wire for those lugs?
Hello. My name is XXXXX I will do my best to help. This is the same wires. You will be supplying 230V to the outdoor unit. This will be protected by a simple double pole circuit breaker or disconnect, then the wires going inside will be the 4 wires. One wire goes from S1 at outdoor to S1 at indoor, one wire goes from S2 at outdoor to S2 indoor. Those 2 wires are supplying power to the indoor unit 230 volts. The third wire goes from S3 in outdoor to S3 indoors. This wire is actually signaling outdoor to come on, so basically S1 and S2 are taking power to the indoor, where S3 is bringing signal from indoor back to outdoor. The ground of course simply goes to ground both indoor and out. airheatman 41469.22024733032.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.